Now that the walls and openings are in the model, we can begin panelising and framing the walls. Our new wall panelling system takes a lot of cues from our floor and roof panelling systems, producing frame panels in an editable 3D model that can have a drawing created for it. This video goes through the basic steps in creating the panel breaks and editing the panel layout. Our first step is to select the walls we want to panelise. This can be done very simply using the selection filter, choosing only the exterior and interior walls as necessary, then clicking OK. Now drag a box around the whole building and the walls will be selected. Right click to bring up the context sensitive menu, panelise and select the Generate Panel Breaks command. This will bring up the wall panelising settings window. The Basic tab has a number of options. Here the user can define the structural layer that will be included within the panel based on the wall type they are using. All of these can be toggled on or off, with the exception of framing, which is greyed out and permanently switched on. The details allows the user to control how the corners are held back. For instance, with the vertical walls extended, we'll cut back the horizontal panels. Panel labels can also be set here, either from the wall attributes or the wall type. Interior view allows the user to flip the viewing direction and label of the panel. The Advanced tab gives the user options for setting first panel lengths and setting any extra length for this first panel, as well as which modelling pair the panel volume is added to. Panelisation direction allows the user to choose the way the panels are numbered. There are also further cladding button options should this be applicable. However, in this case I will just click OK and my walls will be broken into panels based on what was set up in the project parameters. It's advisable at this point to go back into the selection filter and hit the All button to ensure all elements can be selected, then click OK. When panelising, only the breaks themselves are generated, not the frame, which gives us an opportunity to amend the panel layout before generating the framing. From the wall panel menu we can use Flip Wall Corner Connection to swap which panel is held back into the corner. Simply hover close to the break, noticing the cursor changing from a crosshair to an arrow, and then click. Again, from the Wall Panels menu, Move Panel Break allows you to adjust the panel break to any desired location simply by clicking the break and then selecting the new location. Both panels will automatically then be resized. Once the panels are arranged as required, then we can generate the framing. Again, using the selection filter, we can ensure only the exterior and interior wall panels are selectable. Assuming all panels require their framing generated, drag a box around the whole building, then right click, Generate Parts, and BD will frame based on the previously defined wall attributes. The 3D framing model will now be automatically generated, and all wall frames are editable in 2D or 3D. However, please see the next video in our series for further information.